It can certainly cloud the mind, impair judgment, make even the simplest decisions vexing.
You know what's vexing, Viggo? Is why you're rambling on trying to get inside my head. I would think that by now, you'd have given up. You see, I'm focused, I'm clear, decisive. What I am not is your friend, your ally, your maces and talons buddy. Okay, so let's leave our personal lives out of this and just get down to business.
Oh, I'm only trying to help.
You okay, bud?
The symptoms won't come on for another day or so. By the time we've concluded our business, your dragon will have the antidote.
Oh, don't be like that, Hiccup. What did I tell you about ruthlessness?
You poisoned my dragon, Viggo. What'd you expect? What, you think we're gonna be best friends?
Toothless will be fine. You have my word.